Yeah, but men and women can be very different in some situations. Like, women don't have a recurring problem with getting their muff trapped in a vacuum cleaner. Am I right? Yeah. The worst part is Henry's big eyes just staring at you. Desperately trying to get your penis unstuck from a vacuum cleaner, but it's a weird flatmate. But like, the worst part is that the fact like Henry the sex hoover has like a face with a massive smile on it, and it really makes you think, who's the real pervert in these situations? Anyways, I'm single. I'm not great when it comes to relationships. The only time I've ever convinced a girl to move in with me is on Minecraft. Apart from Minecraft, my favourite dating website I'm on right now is LinkedIn. And you guys in this, if you guys, everyone here wants to follow me after this gig, I'm on Twitter, Match.com, Tinder,